Hi everyone, I am Adila Raj from Access Language School. There are some phrases which begin with the word no, but it doesn't mean to deny something. It means something different. So let's discuss some of them. So the first one is no big deal. We can use this expression when something is not difficult for you or when it's not a troublesome for you. That means just imagine that one of your friends has requested you to solve a question or to solve a problem. In that case, you found out that it's not a big task for you. So you can reply to them like, no big deal, I will solve this for you. The second one is no hard feelings. This means we are not angry at someone. For example, just imagine one of your friends has forgot your birthday and they forgot to wish you. So they will be saying sorry to you. Oh, sorry, I just forgot your birthday, like that. So in return, you can say, no hard feelings, it's okay for me. That means you are not angry at them. Okay? Then, next one is no pain, no gain. Until you suffer in your life or until you work hard, you will not be able to be successful in your life. That means you have to work hard to be successful or to achieve something in your life. Then, next one is no kidding. We can use this expression in 3 different ways. One is to emphasize a true statement. That means you want to stress a true statement. Okay, for example, your friend is saying, wow, that exam was brutally difficult for me. And you are replying like, yeah, no kidding. That means you are also having the same feeling on that exam. Or you are also just supporting that statement. Then another way to use the expression no kidding is when you are surprised. You just heard something from your friend and you are just surprised. For example, your friend is saying to you like, okay, I'm going to buy a new car or I'm going to buy a new house. And in return, you would be saying like, no kidding, congratulations. That means you are surprised to hear that. The next way to use this expression is when you want to sound a little more sarcastic or when you want to add sarcasm in your speaking. That means, for example, just imagine that one of your friends is saying like, I'm going to buy a new car, and you have heard this for 1,000 times from her. And in reply, you would be saying like, no kidding, you have told this to me for 1,000 times. That means you are adding somewhat sarcasm in your reply. Then, these are the 3 ways that you can use the expression no kidding. Then, next expression is no wonder. That means we are not surprised or it's not surprising. For example, no wonder the children are excited. This is the first time they have been to abroad. That means it's not surprising for that the children are being excited. Okay? Then next one is no way. You can use this expression in 2 different ways. One is when you find something which is impossible for you. For example, there is no way for me to pass this exam. That means it is impossible for me to pass this exam. Then next one is to express or to show a strong denial. That means you want to deny something completely. In that case also you can use the expression no way. That means just imagine that you are asking your mom about going for a party tonight. Like, can I go for a party? And your mom will be replying like, no way you are doing that. That means she completely denied it. I hope these phrases or expressions will be useful for you.